everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I'm here to show you how to make these really simple DIY Terrazzo earring studs. So the great thing about this project is that it's fully customizable. You can choose any color family that you want. I do recommend having one color for the base and then having 3 separate colors to go on top to create the terrazzo effect. And then the other thing to note is this is very simple and just have fun with it because you really can't go wrong. I actually made these earrings with my very young children, my 4- and 6-year-old. And so we had a great time with it and I really like how they turned out. So if you want to see how to make your own DIY terrazzo earring studs, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to make your own earrings, necklace, bracelet, magnet, whatever it is, and just bust out the polymer clay and have fun. If you want to see more DIYs and simple tutorials, please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on social media at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.